Sup, it's your girl, Didi the Trini RD. And today in Didi's Kitchen Madness on Wacky Wednesday, I'm gonna be making banana nut bread. But I'm gonna do it a different way. Yeah man, I'm gonna speak different about this video. Yeah man. What ingredients you're gonna need? You're gonna need 3 banana. 3 banana, ripe banana. You're gonna need honey. You're gonna need oil, vanilla essence, baking powder and baking soda, little bit of milk, low fat milk man, and some cinnamon. You know I can't forget the oats. Can't forget it. And what else you need? You're gonna need your flour. Whole wheat. High fiber. Good for your health man. That's why I use whole wheat. High fiber. Preheat the oven man. Last ingredient yo, 2 eggs man. Yeah. Make sure you wash it. This recipe real easy and simple. You can't make healthier banana bread than me. Can't go wrong. So let me get started now. You go have to try. You can't do nothing without good health. So you better take care of yourself. Even if you don't bake or you don't know how to bake or you can't cook, it's so simple you don't even need to think so much. First thing you go do, crack the egg into this bowl. Throw in your oil, vanilla essence, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, all of that drama. Till your real ripe banana. This thing real overripe, real overripe. Oh gosh, what you gonna do man? All you do is mix up everything and throw it in a pot and put it in the oven. Easy, easy, easy. And smush it all together man, smush it. And it will taste good, trust me, because it have honey, and you know honey sweet. Smell real good man, smell real good. Throw in the honey. Throw in your oats. Throw in your flour, your whole wheat flour. Real nice, real nice. I know it's mad. Check that now, me love it, me love it. You go nuts for this banana bread, yo. And it's real simple, eh? Real simple. Well, you know what I'm doing next? I have my baking pan here, some baking paper. Now go put the rest of what's on top of it, man. Now we go put it in the oven. There we go. Real simple and easy things you could do to help that blood pressure and that high cholesterol level, you know. Fiber is the way to go. You go leave it in there for like an hour or so. All the ingredients I use real good for your body. Walnuts real good for those conkers up there, you know. I know what you're thinking. I should have more of it and time to take it off the oven, man. That look real good, yeah. That thing real lash, yo. Real lash. Try it and tell me how it turned out nice. Real best, real best. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment down below. Tag all your friends, invite all your friends to like my page. Check me out on all my social media links such as YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. And don't forget to click that like button. Click it. Click it. Check out my last video on Madness Mondays, where I made a modified version of Double Didi Madness style. And look forward to my next videos because I post videos every week. I do. If you're interested in advertisement sponsorship, just make contact. Don't forget I can do dietary advice as well because I'm a registered dietitian, soon to be registered dietitian nutritionist, RDN. Bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy. Be happy, man. It's so simple, yet. Sup, Rocco. So, you have no excuse. Try it now, try it. What tokens are by? I don't even know where I get this from. It just come to me, you know, it just come to me in a dream.
It has to come something flat. A flat
You're so
tray, not a
mean.
plate.